Welcome back. Good morning, all of my dear viewers. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss a very important topics for your board examination point of view. And what is the name of topics? The name of topics is Horrocks apparatus. So, what are the use of this Horrocks apparatus? This Horrocks apparatus are used for the estimation of chlorine for estimation of chlorine for the what purpose? Estimation of chlorine for the disinfection of waters. So how with the help of this Horrocks apparatus we can estimate the amounts of chlorine or basically a bleaching powder for the disinfection of waters. So we are going to discuss its procedure. What are the first steps in the procedure? In the first step in the procedure, we first have to prepare a stock solution. Okay, then how we prepare this stock solution? For the preparation of a stock solution, first we take a black color tubes. In black color tubes, we add 2 gram of bleaching powder with the help of a spoons, and the capacity of this spoon is the 2 gram. So with the help of this 2 gram spoon, we add 2 gram bleaching powder in black tubes. After adding 2 gram of bleaching powder in black tubes, we add some amounts of water to make a paste. After making the paste, we fill the black tube to its margin and prepared a solution, and this solution is called a stock solution. So what are the next steps after the preparation of a stock solution? The next steps is we fill. There are 6 white tubes along with these black tubes. So in black tube we prepare the stock solution, and in 6 white tubes we take the sample of waters. So all these 6 tubes fill with water samples. So after the filling this tube with water samples, what are our next steps? Our next step is we take a special pipettes, and with the help of this special pipettes we take a stock solution from the black tubes and add this stock solution in all the 6 tubes in an increasing fashion. So what does means this in increasing fashion? Increasing fashion means if we add 1 drops of a stock solution in first white tubes, then we add 2 drops of a stock solution in second white tubes, third drops of a stock solution in third white tubes. So this is the increasing fashion in which we add the prepared stock solution in all the 6 white tubes. So after that what we do? So after adding the stock solution in all the 6 white tubes, we take a separate rod and stir all the solution present in white tubes. So after stirring the solution in all the 6 tubes with a separate rods, what are our next steps? Our next step is wait for 1 hour. This is the contact periods. So after waiting for the 1 hour, we add 3 drops of starch iodides. So this starch iodide is basically it is act as indicators, and observe the color change in all the 6 tubes. If any tube showing a color change, showing a blue color, it indicates that these tubes contain the residual chlorine. So generally, if we add if a tube of 6 grams, we adding uh, the 1 spoons contain 2 gram na, so for 6 gram we add 3 spoons. So if 3 grams tubes showing blue color, it indicates that 450 liter of water they can disinfect. So we go for the reading section. What are the procedures? Take 1 spoon of bleaching powder which a capacity of the 2 grams in a black tubes, and make a thin paste with a little water added on it. After that add more waters to the paste and fill up to its margin levels, and this solution is called a stock solution. Then fill all the 6 tubes with water to be tested. Okay. With a special pipettes, we add drop of a stock solution in increasing order. Okay, it's fine. Stir the waters in his tubes by using a separate rods. Then wait for the 1 hour, which is the contact period, and add 3 drops of the starch iodide indicators in his tubes and stir again. Observe the color change. The presence of blue color indicates the residual chlorine. If 6 gram tubes show the color, that means it can disinfect 450 liter of water. So these are the procedure of what Horrocks apparatus with the help. I mean the procedure of mixing of bleaching powders for the detection of disinfection of water. What are the contents of Horrocks apparatus? They contain 6 white tubes of capacity of 200 ml, one black tube with a circular markers on inside. Okay, 2 metal spoons, each hold 2 gram of bleaching powder, 7 glass stirring rods, one special pipette, 2 droppers, and starch iodide indicator and instruction folder. Okay. So this is all about some of the Horrocks apparatus. I hope you can understand the lecture. Welcome back in new session.